See, let us take an example of ozone molecule O3. Draw a structure like this. In this, oxygen 1, this is oxygen 1, this is oxygen 2, this is oxygen 3. On the first oxygen, there are 3 bonding electrons. That means one bond, second bond, and here there is another dative bond by means of this electron. Therefore, 3 bonding electrons. That means this double bond causes 4 electrons. That means 2 given by this oxygen and 2 given by this oxygen. 4 bonding electron plus this. For this bond, there is 2 electrons are required. Therefore, total 6. Now, lone pair is only this. Only one lone pair is here. This is used for bonding. Therefore, even though it is shown, there is no need to show this. That is actually this is given for this dative bond. Only one lone pair is here. But for the oxygen 2, 2 lone pairs are here. That is called non-bonding. And 2 electrons are used for this bonding. Therefore, bonding electrons are 4 here. Now, third oxygen is this, and for that 3 pairs of, that is 3 lone pair for this third oxygen. And there is no bonding. From this oxygen, there is no bonding at all. In the structure shown above, the 3 oxygen atoms present in O3 molecule have been numbered as 1, 2, and 3. O1 atom, that is oxygen 1. The oxygen atom marked 1 has 6 valence electron. Valence electron means this oxygen, actually any oxygen is having 6 valence electron. Therefore, that is the first part of it. This any oxygen, the valence electrons are 6. One lone pair, that is this lone pair, and 2 bonding electrons and 3 bonds. 2 bonding electrons and 3 bonds. That means this 2 bond is bonding, but this is a dative bond. Therefore, this has nothing to do with this oxygen atom. Therefore, this 2 electron. Therefore, total 6 bonding electron. That means 2 from 2, 2, that is 4, and this 2, that is 6. Total 6 bonding electrons. Therefore, let us calculate the formal charge. Substitute the value in the equation what it is written. Each time you write this equation, then only you will understand. Follow this equation. From that, the first one, total number of valence electrons in the free atom. That is 6. 6 is the number of valence electron. Minus 2. That means the total number of non-bonding or lone pair electron, that is 2. That is why that number is put as 2. Minus half, that is given in the equation, minus half. Total number of bonding, that is shared electron, that is 2 bonding plus a dative bond. Therefore, total number is 6. Therefore, half into 6. When you calculate, you will get 4 minus 3, which is equal to plus 1. Always remember to put the plus charge or minus charge. Now, this you have to do stepwise by writing the formula and finding out, write each step. That is, what is the total number of valence electron in the free atom, and write the number. Total number of non-bonding or lone pair of electron, write that number. Total number of bonding or shared electron, write that number. Then only substitute it. Write all the data just like solving problem. Write all the numerical and then substitute it. Oxygen 2.